This is a part of a tree. You can see that I'm plucking the leaves of this tree. The stem is me, and the leaves are my time, which are now wasted. You can see that these leaves are wasted, and they are time. My time can't be returned, because once time is gone, it can't be returned, as we all know. Let's be honest, how many of us have said, I don't have time? Just this week, we say it like time is hiding from us, but time isn't lost. We're the ones who waste our own time. Time is a great equalizer. Rich or poor, young or old, we all have 24 hours in one single day. The difference? Some spend it, others invest in it. Good morning, everyone. My name is Zanist, and today I will be talking about stop wasting your time and make every second of your day count. Time is your most valuable resource. We often act like time's infinite, but it's not. Money lost can be earned back. Opportunities may come again, but time, once it's gone forever, and it will never come back. Think about this. Every second that passes is one you'll never get back. That's not meant to scare anyone. We're not scaring anyone. It's meant to wake you up and make you know more about the truth of life. We have the lie of later. Procrastination. Procrastination sounds very complex, but it's actually very, very simple. Procrastination is the most famous thief in the world. It is something that people all listen to. It whispers inside of your ears. You can do it tomorrow. You can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Gradually, never. We say we're waiting for the right time, but life doesn't pause for perfect moments now, does it? Later is a luxury. You're not guaranteed. Nobody will come up to you and say, you can do that later and your time will be returned. Because no, later is a luxury. You're never guaranteed, and it won't ever come back. Your dreams, your growth, your future, they're not waiting for someday to come. They're waiting for you to start, because you are capable of what you have, because your time is capable of what you're doing. So stop wasting your time. Get up, don't waste it, and wait for the right time. I mean, when you say waiting for the right time, we mean that don't just waste your time on endlessly scrolling through social media, because social media is just a waste of your own time. So here's the message. Clear and simple. I tell you to stop wasting your time. And I don't mean to not do anything that makes you comfortable in your life. I don't mean make yourself uncomfortable. But I mean to help yourself grow, to help yourself become better. That's what I mean, not what people think. Don't be afraid of time, because time, you shouldn't be scared of time. Time is what you have to use, not what you have to become. A second of kindness, a minute of gratitude, an hour of hard work. It all adds up to something we call time. Time is not just something we use, it's what we become. So don't think about time as something that will go and never come back, because that's mostly the truth. But if you spend your time, yes, it will never come back. So do it on something good. Make it right. Be capable of your own time. Don't be afraid to speak up, because that's your true purpose. These fish are you, are me, are all of us. These fish are jumping for their lives. Look at them. How little water they have in them. They're about to be dead, right? But these fish are great examples of what we are, or what we will be someday, if we don't stop wasting our time. Because if we start wasting our time more and more by the second or each day, we'll be like this fish. Live with urgency, work with purpose. Thank you.
باشە پێشەنگە